Hello, Kuya. Happy afternoon. What is your name?
Stephen Andre M. Reyes.
Okay, Kuya. Are you ready to meet our next animal friend?
Tingnan natin kung green.
Okay, since you're ready, all you have to do is put your right arm like this.
Huwag na si Mami. Papawash natin to kay ate.
And now please welcome our amazing bird. And here is Red. Hello, Red. Happy afternoon. Just relax, Kuya. Alright, once again, this is Red, our Eclectus parrot, also known as Eclectus roratus. They can live approximately up to 40 years in captivity, and they can be found in Papua New Guinea. And don't you know that they have extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning males are different from the females. Males are commonly green with blue band on the wings, while the females are red with purple band on the wings. Now, Kuya, what is about red? Cute, alright. That would be our plus for Red, and of course, you may need volunteers. Thank you so much. And with that, I'm receiving a souvenir from Zubik Safari. Thank you.